So let's talk about what we've been working on. First, for life on the go, we designed the world's best camera and put it in the world's most helpful phone, introducing the beautiful new Pixel 3. For life at work and at play, we're bringing the power and productivity of a desktop to a gorgeous tablet called Pixel Slate. And for life at home, we designed a smart display so you can hear and see the info you need and manage your connected home from a single screen. Introducing Google Home Hub. And here they are, coming up here in the pedestals for the first time, seen in real life.
Let me tell you about how we've reimagined Google for the home. With Google Home Hub, we've redesigned Google's most helpful services like Search, YouTube, Maps, Calendar, and Photos, so they're easily controllable with your voice and provide glanceable help. You can also choose from 4 beautiful colors to complement any room. We also consciously did not put a camera on Hub so that it was comfortable to use in the private spaces of your home, like your bedroom. We wanted to make sure that Hub is not a bright glowing screen in your home. So we made sure that Hub can respond automatically to the ambient light in the room. Finally, we also wanted Hub to be a communal device, one that works for everyone in your home. So let me call up Mark, one of our product managers, to show you Hub in action.
With Hub, I can just say, "Hey Google, good morning."
Good morning, Mark. The time is 9 a.m. Currently in San Francisco, it's 64 and sunny. The best way to get to work by car is via US 101 South and will take 45 minutes. There are 11 entries in your calendar. By the way, remember to pick up eggs for dinner tonight.
Because Hub recognized my voice, it tells me everything I need to know while I'm finishing up my cup of coffee. You can simply use your voice to get help in the kitchen. You can set multiple timers. You can find out how many ounces are in a cup. You can even figure out what to cook for dinner tonight. Now, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about YouTube on Hub. The YouTube experience has been optimized, so I have access to a ton of how-to videos just by using my voice. With YouTube Music, you can easily find the perfect song, video, or artist. Through December, Hub comes with 6 months of YouTube Premium on us, including ad-free videos and our new YouTube Music streaming service. But sometimes it's really hard to disconnect and enjoy time with friends and family. Hub can help with that too. Just put Hub into downtime mode, and it won't interact with anyone in the house except for those critical things like alarms. With filters, you can ensure that everyone in the home is enjoying family-friendly content.
You can even see the state of your entire home at a glance. With Hub, we're introducing Home View. With a swipe down from the top of the screen, you can bring up a simple dashboard. The dashboard shows you the state of your entire home at a quick glance, so you can turn down the temperature in the bedroom and turn up the music in the living room. And we're providing the same level of control even if you're not near your Hub. We've redesigned the Google Home app to be the mobile controller for your smart home. It has the same Home View dashboard as Hub. So now you can control all your devices from any phone, even when you're not at home. So we made sure that Hub was deeply integrated with Nest devices like Nest Camera, Nest Thermostat, and even Hello Doorbell. So for instance, if you're having dinner and someone happens to ring your doorbell, Hub will automatically show you who's at the front door. And you can tap a quick response or use your voice to let your guests know that you'll be right there. Home View lets you control over 200 million devices from over 1,000 brands, many of them in your home today. So now, with a simple tap or with your voice, you can control your Dish Hopper DVR, your Chromecast, your Vizio TV, and even your Philips Hue light bulb. You can pre-order Google Home Hub on the Google Store today for $149. And it's also available on October 22nd at retail locations here in the US, UK, and Australia.
Last year, Chrome OS took a big step forward with the introduction of apps from the Google Play Store, and also with the introduction of helpfulness from the Google Assistant. And today, we're sharing a new chapter for our vision for Chrome OS with the launch of Google Pixel Slate.
We designed Pixel Slate to be both thin and light. It's crafted with beautiful lines and rounded edges in a stylish midnight blue. Pixel Slate is engineered with a stunning detailed display, so sitting back to enjoy a movie is better than ever. It has 293 pixels per inch. That's 6 million pixels for the sharpest picture in the category. So with Pixel Slate, we've positioned the speakers on the front of the device so they can direct stereo sound towards you. It's also a great device for cord cutters, and nothing brings this to life better than YouTube TV. We're excited to give you 3 months of YouTube TV with the purchase of a new Pixel Slate or Pixelbook. We're bringing some of that same innovative engineering to Pixel Slate's 8-megapixel front-facing and rear-facing cameras. We've also designed the front-facing camera to be perfect for video chat. It has a wide-angle lens, so you can fit everyone in the frame, and a sensor with larger pixels, which allows for excellent low-light performance. Check out the reconfigured launcher. Instead of hunting for the app you need, machine learning customizes the launcher just for you. You can easily multitask with features like split screen, which lets you seamlessly shift between work and play. And now with Pixel Slate, the Google Assistant is even more deeply integrated within Chrome OS. Simply use your voice, and the Assistant can help you find a restaurant, dictate an email, or play your favorite show. Pixel Slate's power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor, so you can unlock it just as quickly and securely as you do your Pixel phone. The keyboard connects to Pixel Slate in a snap. No pairing or charging needed. Just connect it and start typing. The folio is infinitely adjustable, so you can comfortably use it at any angle you'd like. Pixel Slate comes in several configurations, starting at $599. Pixel Slate keyboard is $199, and Pixelbook pen, now in matching midnight blue, is $99. All three will be available later this year on the Google Store and at major retailers in the US, Canada, and the UK.
Finally, it's time to talk about phones. Google Pixel 3 is designed from the inside out to be the smartest, most useful device in your life.
Pixel 3 comes in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and a new color, which is not pink.
The new Pixel comes in 2 display sizes: the 5.5-inch Pixel 3 and the 6.3-inch Pixel 3 XL. Both of them share the same features, but we know users who want a bigger phone really want a bigger screen. So we've designed Pixel 3 XL's screen to extend all the way to the upper corners.
Our front-firing stereo speakers are 40% louder and richer than last year. Pixel 3 is the first phone that ships with the new YouTube Music streaming experience, and we're giving it to Pixel owners on us for 6 months.
Everyone raves about the Pixel camera, and today, the smartest camera gets even better with the Pixel 3. You can still miss the perfect shot if you don't hit the shutter at exactly the right moment. Top Shot solves that problem. Top Shot automatically captures alternate shots in HDR+. So if your timing wasn't perfect, it'll suggest a better one. You can also scroll through the alternates and save one of those instead.
And then there's Super Res Zoom. Instead of shooting a grainy photo, Pixel 3 shoots a burst of photos, each a bit different, taking advantage of the natural tiny movements of your hand. And you can guess what happens next. We run the variations through a merging algorithm to create a beautiful, zoomed-in shot, so you can get closer to the details and frame your shot the way you want.
Another feature that we're really excited about is Night Sight. Night Sight works so well, you'll never use your flash again. In extreme low light, we turn to machine learning to choose the right colors based on the content of the image.
So we added a second camera on the front that captures 184% more of the scene than iPhone XS. The difference is striking. You aren't just getting more people in the frame, you're getting more details.
We've evolved AR stickers to what we now call Playground and built it into both the front and rear cameras.
This year, we integrated Google Lens directly into the Pixel 3 camera. Point it at a takeout menu, and Lens will pull out the phone number to call. Point at a movie poster to click through to the URL. So now when your friend's wearing a cool new pair of sunglasses, or you see some shoes you like in a magazine, you can use Lens to find them online and browse similar styles.
So here's a quick list of some of the other features you'll see in our demo area later.
Photo booth mode automatically snaps photos with a smile or when you make a funny face. No shutter button needed.
With motion autofocus, just tap on people, puppies, or anything else that won't hold still, and they'll stay in focus as they move around the frame. And one of the best aspects of Pixel 3 is free unlimited storage at original quality. You'll never have to worry about storing, syncing, or finding your photos. And we're going even further to help you with phone calls with our new call screen feature. When you get that call and you can't or don't want to pick up, just tap the screen call button, and your phone will answer for you and ask who's calling and why. As you can see here, the conversation is transcribed in real time on your screen. Call Screen launches today with Pixel 3 in the US and comes to the entire Pixel family next month.
So we've developed a feature we call Flip to Shush, an easy gesture to minimize distractions. Just turn your phone upside down on the table, and your Pixel will take the hint and mute sounds and notifications.
We're excited to introduce the smartest wireless charger ever, the new Pixel Stand. It charges your Pixel 3 super fast, even through cases.
Pixel 3 is available for pre-order now, starting at $799, and Pixel Stand is $79. Pixel 3 will arrive on October 18th in the US through Verizon and unlocked on the Google Store and Project Fi. On November 1st, it will be available in 12 more markets, including 4 new ones this year: France, Ireland, Japan, and Taiwan.